This is Stepford Central. This train terminates here. All change please. Thank you for travelling with us today. Welcome aboard this Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. We will be calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Walton Newton, Leighton Stepford Road, Leighton City, Edgemead, Fairmere, Westercost, Milcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. The next station is Stepford East. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Stepford East. This train is for Lynn by the Sea. The next station is St Helens Bridge.